Driving Nuts Puzzle by Milton Bradley. The type of puzzle that drive you nuts. We have a tray, 7 nuts. Each nut has number from 1 to 6. This one it's 1, 3, 5, 4, 2, 6. But this one it's 1, 5, 3, 2, 6, 4. There is one with number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that is, but all the other one, nothing that can match some things. Okay, the objective of the puzzle is to place the nuts on the tray, so all the touching sides have matching numbers. Let's see how long that's going to take me to solve it. Okay, starting with the centerpiece, I'm going, maybe starting with that one, I don't know. Okay, if I have a 4 here, maybe this one, 4. In that case, I have a problem because I have 5 and 5, and no nuts have 2 times the same numbers on them. No, that one is not good. Maybe this one. Here I need a 5 and a 6. 5 and 6. Okay. No. This one. Okay. 5 and 6. Okay. Here it's 2 and 2. I did not see it to start. It's not good. Okay. That one is not good. Ooh. Looking for a 6 and a 4. No, I don't have. Alors, maybe this one is not good. I'm going to try this one. No, 3 and 3, no good. 5 and 6, I say no good. Okay. Let's see, 4. Okay. Maybe this one. Okay. A 3 and a 6. Did I have a 3 and a 6? This one has 3 and 6. I need a 3 and a 4. No, that's a 4 and 3. Ah, this one. 3 and 4. I need a 5 and a 2. No, it's 2, 5. 5, 4. Ah, not good. Maybe this one is not good, but I think that is the only one. Okay, that one not good. Yeah, trying this one. Okay, no, to do the same. Okay, do the same. No good. Maybe this one. Okay, 6 and 2. A 6 and a 2. Well, I don't have. Well, that one no good. Okay, try this one. A 3 and a 2. 3, 2. This one, 3, 2. 3, 2, and 4, 4. Okay. 5 and 1. 5 and 1. Now I have this one. 5 and 1. Oh, 3 and 3. No good. That is the only one. Okay. Apparently this one is not good. Did I have another 4 and 3? No. Okay, I want to try this one. I think I already make a 5 and 1. Ah, I did not take note. Oh, it's not good. Okay. Yeah, maybe no. That one, maybe this one. Okay, a 5 and a 3. 5 and a 3. This one is 5 and 3. Okay, a 5 and a 2. 5 and 2. Okay, this one is 5 and 2. A 2 and a 3. I got 3, 2. Okay, this one. 2 and 3. Okay, a 6 and a 1. 6 and a 1. I don't have a 6 and 1. I got 4 and 1. 5, 6, 1. Oh, I got. No one. Oh man, I got, wow, I made it. I'm surprised it was so fast. I was thinking it would take hours to do it. Well, maybe I got some luck. If you like nuts puzzle, check out this other puzzle. It's a ball, bold and nuts. Little easier than this one.